Elite Travel, the leading destination management company in Croatia, and Gasper Kamenšek, Excel MVP, trainer and consultant at Excel Olympics, owner and lead author at Excel Unplugged, invite you to brush up on your Microsoft Excel skills and join us at Excel Olympics Adriatic Cruise. In the world of heavy sheets, tables, and numbers, there's a man, one decision, one desire to make your life easier. Please welcome Man with the Formula, Gasper to the rescue.
Hello world, my name is Gasper Kamenšek and I would like to invite you to what can only be described as an Excel experience. Whereas it is actually an Excel course, it should be an experience that you will never forget. There are 3 reasons why this is more than just your usual Excel course that you can get basically anywhere. So reason number 1 is the idyllic setting in which we will be. So the Adriatic Sea, the beautiful islands of the Adriatic Sea, and a cruise ship. Could you imagine a better setting for an Excel course? Number 2, you will be taught by me. My name is Gasper Kamenšek and I'm an Excel MVP. I've been training Excel, or actually doing trainings in Excel, for 18 years. And I've written numerous blog posts. I've recorded videos. I've had courses all over the world. I had trainings all over the world, and I had conferences, so I was a speaker at conferences all over this world. And what you're gonna get is all that experience sort of distilled down into this course. So this course will be, and that is your reason number 3, this course will be the best of the best in Excel. Sort of the greatest hits, but not just, things that are cool in Excel, but also things that are extremely, extremely useful. So day 1, we'll be talking about how to use Excel, and you'll probably, only from day 1, you'll be 20 times faster than you were ever in Excel. Day 2, we go to Power Query, which is one of the best things that ever happened in Excel. Day 3, we go to Power Pivot, which is an upgrade of everything Excel can do and building data models. And then day 4 actually differs. So up to here, both courses are more or less the same. Now the July version on day 4 will get sort of an overview in Excel, so how to put it all together in Excel, whereas the September version will get a how do you put it all together, all that knowledge that you can use in Excel any day, but now let's put it together in Power BI and let's get to know Power BI better, and also let's kind of upgrade what we know about Microsoft tools and Power BI reporting with the mindset of let's see what currently the best application for Power BI reporting can do. And why I thought that was important is because it also kind of puts Excel in perspective, where you've probably seen it lately. People have been saying Excel is outdated and this and that is gonna, change or actually replace Excel. That's not going to happen. Excel is as relevant today as it ever was. And by knowing Power BI, you will actually have an even better understanding of why Excel is so important these days. And those are the 3 reasons why you should attend. And I'm looking forward to meeting you on the cruise ship.
Excel and Power BI from the best in the most beautiful setting aboard luxury yacht cruising along Croatian Adriatic islands, selected for you by Elite Travel.